Now, the NCB probe into the Sushant's death case has widened. Narcotics Control Bureau has conducted various search operations across Mumbai and nabbed alleged drug peddler Suryadeep Mehrotra. Suryadeep is a childhood friend of Ria's brother Shovik. He is currently being grilled by the NCB for more clues. Sources also tell India Today that NCB has suspected Ria used her mother's phone to procure drugs. Sources also reveal that Ria refused to give her mother's phone to ED and the phone was recovered after searching Ria's house. All of this as the NCB arrested 7 more people linked in the Sushant Singh Rajput drug link case connected to his girlfriend Ria Chakrabarti and her brother Shovik.
ये सब चैट की वजह से जो नाम है केजे करमजीत, तो ये थोड़ा मीडिया ने आपने सब लोग ने उछाला तो उसके बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ तब ये सब चीजें सामने आई। लेकिन करमजीत के पास से कोई भी प्रकार का कमर्शियल क्वांटिटी या लार्ज क्वांटिटी के अमाउंट में कुछ भी रिकवर नहीं हुआ है। जब एनसीबी ने संकेत पटेल को जहां पे पकड़ा तो उन्होंने काफी इंक्वायरी संकेत पटेल के साथ की, लेकिन संकेत पटेल के साथ में कोई भी इनक्रिमिनेटिंग मटेरियल उनको मिला नहीं एनसीबी को। तो कोर्ट के सामने रिमांड एप्लीकेशन में जब बात आई तो सीधा सीधा ये सामने था कि संकेत पटेल के बारे में कुछ भी इनक्रिमिनेटिंग मटेरियल नहीं मिला। तो यही दावा हमने कोर्ट में पेश किया कि अगर आपको कस्टडी चाहिए तो अगर किसी के खिलाफ कुछ इनक्रिमिनेटिंग मटेरियल है ही नहीं तो उसके बारे में आप क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन करोगे। तो कोर्ट ने वो दावा माना और उसको जेसी देके हमने बेल एप्लीकेशन मूव और उसकी बेल कोर्ट ने आज 15,000 श्योरिटी पे अलाउड कर दी।
Connecting to my colleague Munish Pandey, who's joining me live with the latest update. Munish, what more can you add where the NCB is concerned? Who next? What's the trajectory?
Yeah, well, Preeti, at this point of time, what NCB claims that they started reverse investigation. First, they arrested drug peddler and then they reached to Ria Chakrabarti. But still, what NCB at this point of time is doing that they are also arresting those drug peddlers who are in touch with Samuel Miranda and Shovik Chakrabarti. So the newly arrested drug peddlers are suspected of being in touch with Shovik Chakrabarti, Samuel Miranda and supplying drugs to them. But what's important here is to point out is that these drug peddlers are also one of those who are suspected of supplying drugs to many other Bollywood personalities. Now, NCB claims that the Bollywood personalities which are under scanner at this point of time, they never bought this drug directly. It was through their manager or some other lower ranking staffers of those personalities. But NCB is now widening the probe. They are claiming that through these drug peddlers, they will try to reach out to those Bollywood personalities apart from Ria Chakrabarti who were involved in drug consumption and also in drug business. So NCB is widening their probe. As far as Ria Chakrabarti is concerned, she is still under judicial custody. In a day or two, Mr. Manish Shinde, lawyer of Ria Chakrabarti, will be filing the bail application. But as of now, Ria Chakrabarti and Shovik Chakrabarti are accused number 1 and 2, and NCB claims that these drug peddlers were also supplying drugs to Samuel Miranda, Shovik Chakrabarti and Ria Chakrabarti.
All right, Munish, appreciate you joining us for that quick update. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.